secretary kase I say all can simbia akwa te say Agyapong enkrofo ene say MPP more information enti yese no sedie Alanche Martin elusu the credibility in the MPP too Agyapong
Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana TV GH so wo frame me adwoa searching ebusuafo nipa ya okase straight from your friend is Suame constituency me try Ashanti region Suame and the eba meaning say magazine o say Suame run about to say e kokro no no say anomanji ho na ebo and mintimi jeba Suame constituency na ebi what the strong one and Emma honorable Kedia compare Agyapong say the oye no abroso honorable Kedia compare Agyapong na nechi different the way na abroso na hom person bisa say a young people for mo contest na say different party bi aba be ka ho because I don't think madness. Let's be honest, this Dr. Bawumia camp no honorable Kedia compare Agyapong na camp no started no yen na the politics yen na internet no 24/7 honorable Kedia compare Agyapong ne supporters no almost started na so ko no so live no mu di eye former vice president Dr. Bawumia na Madam Samira Tema o si befin na o de yemfa ne say both camps ne no mu di mo internet no so a me just me follow omo me who's on Dr. Bawumia obi o campaign ama Dr. Bawumia aso live edi honorable Kedia compare Agyapong ne ratem me who be that do honorable Kedia camp starting no mu di atem no Dr. Bawumia ne camp so be so no mu di atem but the honorable Kedia compare Agyapong ne supporters no mo ye no omo behave to NDC for as a dream fa kwem as omo adwuno mo yi ato quota so na ka afa so one party Intimunti nka say yes honorable Kedia compare Agyapong also pay youth na sem obe create a job so their agriculture e be develop Ghana na Ghana he say US in some say positive side muntu menka ana politics no it's all about insult mun kan che ne yenti so that mo ya e be fa na normal because menti ase party back hey then this honorable Kedia compare Agyapong so win the primaries here more experts say Dr. Bawumia supporters and be support him. And as a Dr. Bawumia so win ya, can name of Muslim be support my campaign. Abua popo and nesto usu bempa. Or you're ungrateful, just say. His Excellency former President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne penso e do koto Ghana gas. Obu NPP me we di NPP atia wanya sa position no. Wa ko di Ghana gas sika wie. Enya nurse enya the audacity ekwotina radio TV so defend the NDC in a politics and na politics are lies politics in ya de kwa isen ke nipa support because we so bempa abro NPP for power no just say in semenim no your press conference unu hopes na bro ye mo kensem and ana you who prefer the NDC for because mentia say a communicator for a party like NPP for that matter a communicator me say o so bempa no se omo ye primaries ni wi a de obe wini bia muntuntia no fi party ni because we are ungrateful NDC for ntis o NDC ni bie no obe ya sada NDC for they are very loyal to their party, they are faithful to their party. Me sure NDC ni bi be call NDC party akọ opposition no omo communicator akotena friends radio TV so e defend the party na aba abem no in the name of some favor
ne ojojo for me chia mu nyina alaji CPP ni chia Mr. Comedy nkra we say me can sembi e fe me kojo disem kata fi so me wo futuo me de ma Kennedy Agyapong ne supporters Kennedy Agyapong obie ni obitimi aka che me se onye MPP ni oye MPP ni pa enti na MPP fo itimi ye mon ade bia na ahye no an se obitimi akasa etia omo no then so recently omo ye adie bi oni ne supporters omo ye adie bi. I to say his ambition to become president no na fabera no akata ne commitment so akata ne commitment ni nyina so. I've seen a video circulating say NDC communication secretary kase I say all can simbia akwa to say Agyapong enkrofo ene say MPP more information. It's yes no said Alanche Martin elusu the credibility in the MPP too. Agyapong no we are obey the next we are Brian Baba be sign because my head is tag no we are afi ni ambition ni na beira nti omo support no my brand o tai send ayi say no onka sanche no na onhwe na chidifo nimu no Twitter se wom because bia ono de onte sa ne momo twa no ahia no eni abresene no nti no omo mfa ho se MPP ni belusu na ono no Agyapong no ebeba soro ndamas.
Good morning, Ofakame, Mabrani. Mami futuro ni doso. Asa ebusu ekru wa na workers no wono. E no mo mansuo ko hontentem. Yesra mo futuro ni doso wo kwan ni so nyina. Yeti nyina ye ya. Ofakame na yakolesin yakowe. Ye jitum abano de na e like say ye be wini anase ye wini. Na emum ye local organizers no onti ade bi wa ha. Yebeto aba 2024 meme ma abram sua ade bi wa NDC fo ho meme mpo adwuma no nsia nsifrikam na wo hye NDC mbabrum enum book shomo motom no mu ni site trending numbers ebe ade ebe chiama yato aba wo ho me amanim ga me tomo wo no ho ho ana ni momo asu os mi sika na ba na yedi kan frɛ no say yes and this 3 million 2 million. Wo anti enye de na ye to aba no mu chesika o. Wo bia di kan ye adwuma no wo akire adwo musika agu no momozo eti wo ko ne wo fie de na wo keka wo de nsapan ko no wo fie a wo convince ni sa ye den wo fiu eti wo mu me ye shisha party ni firi soro said the Omoka no fa yira kumpra kuni party nanim ni shisha meka from said the Omaka no na party ni de ba bia gina ni nyema nkoye enye nyema nkoye.
Like no morning shoes. So the blessing things mama chia with.
Nana Kwame because every you see you can't send me the current MPP in Penifono Nana Bini or Mombo County. You see, Kwame, the truth of the matter is they should all resign. They shouldn't be there and supervise any presidential primaries. No, none of them is fit to supervise anything. I was saying you can't do a muswa by you or mufiho near your album for because one, they are not competent. Like Omuhu Boha Krana, Omo de Kraya Day, Ashim, they are not fit for purpose. No Krana Yam Pese Yabakanu Kuma, and I pity Justin Kobia. Kamlen and Kama resigning. Menina and Kama resign. I pity him. They should all resign. Now Omunya structure for new executives, new album for a new presidential primaries. That will help because it is funny. And Ashanti regional minister natural on Facebook say actually bare few somehow a new job or resign it. Omoni now omoni conscience on Onjikroma Okujetu were resigning. They are just funny people. Okujetu is still outpost and some man Okujetu keke binam new job MP Nakano. Ono Krasel. He's still outpost or enjoy. They should just shut up. And the MPP, the executive, they should all resign. May I say?
Good morning. I'm a chone and opay Michawati
himself. Lydia Champo Michel. No, seriously, Ajay. I just perform it here. Me personally, I don't think we need to find X. We need to help Honorable Kennedy Agyapong find himself because he has to find himself. As he speaks, he doesn't have himself. He belongs to the Dankwadumbu tradition, yet he wants to do better than Nkrumah. He idolizes Nkrumah as Ononeyi, but yet Nkrumah has a party that is implementing the policies of Nkrumah and the ways of Nkrumah, but he doesn't want to join that. Nenye beyi ne abura opese obo party akwesi party obi a wona ne kwakoye interview. Senye nsem keke na opese wo keka na wo ton wo party de ma wo tamfo a eye den na okotena wo tamfo nim koye interview. President Gufo the free maternal care ba e wa anya hwe. School feeding program ba e wa anya hwe. School health insurance scheme ba e wa anya hwe. Ekufo adu free education wa anya hwe. Until who you idolize is what is Nkrumah. Yet Nkrumah has a party that needs a strong leader. That is the only thing they are not winning. They are not. Nkrumah has a party that you admire, but you are not using that. Why? Yes, humble bacon. The West will not go and try and use evil stuff and say evil things about their opponent just because they want power, so that that same thing will be used against them during the major campaign. The West don't do politics like that. But when your candidate does something stupid like that, you are able to come and defend because you love him. And no matter what he does, you see no evil here, no evil, you're going to support it, even if he goes at the detriment of your party. You guys have no shame. That's the problem with you people. You guys have no shame. Like, Muni shame. It's like, this is where Ghana presidency has come to. Maybe I did Ghana presidency. Well, number one, for Ken supporters or who supporters are mobile, I'm still yet to get a policy direction. He said something about party seeker. Now, yes, you'll be contributing 4.6 million Ghana cedis. The minimum say candidates in year 5. And I'm a boy. Candidates in year 5. Until you say Obia and Feb. Me patro, I know what to say. I will do to my press conference. Say in a party for so moon this canteen. I just say me come on 4.6. What to say? One more keka home aqua year press conference and as I think of where could you say so me to say canana. No. What it be? Maybe some. Seriously, me say ye num and ye din share demu e kan asumsem e de kire yen. Me boa. Adentin na the other ones ne so mfa ma bonten emfem megu omo party animu as say party say ye niska intimo ma yiska intimi kotua 4.6 million. Why didn't the other candidate do the same? Say we are in the campaign moment into obia the bejene samba. Penny odue mate mante. Penny odue mate mante. Dia wokraman hu awoponu wu no. Ejinamo hu a obu na nichie. Wo ye penny a ne bi wo wa wo mfa wo hu njijim. To be honest with you, I personally, I believe, say, Honorable Ken should, because he just says a Ghana full soup, so why do you even need a political party? Make it make sense to me. In your own mouth, no, Ghana full soup, come and be our president. Let me alone, snob MPP. Because masses MPP just was 6 million people. 6 million people who are voters that would actually go and vote. Ghana force population to abandon 18 to 20 million people. If you ban the vote, even vote. Now me say I have the goodwill of the people. Say ne me didn't kotobalo also say as an independent and as impo no as CPP candidate and I say impo as abro party. So no aka no mate abro party. Yeah, you know the DBCC Ghana the bear tourism. Now me to me who say Ghana fully na be di metia. Mr. Metina party ni mu. Na party no ahame. Na party no stop on the chances of coming to give Ghanaians the God-given talent he has given me. You a selfish man then. You don't want Ghana to progress. And Kromane, you are near you know, JB down Kwanu was one. But what Jigan is so no Yamagana no. What the petty or the petty and or the Jigan is see ho. Into we have got a yin and some more bibia woman, and can you follow your own day, you follow your own thing. But like he promised us, MPP for Muni party now own free. But Obehamopa. And never seen you could make another year. Your first stop at a unity talk is for you to go and pin the people against leadership. Party Agyapong. No first message. If the party Agyapong, dear na what so be ya afraid the women organize and the party man ye be ye to abewia. Went to and can do. You see how he misses opportunities. That's why I'm saying, say the people following him, I don't think say they want the man to be any president. He is same united. That is all they want to do. That is how I see it. Your first stop. It is a unity talk. And Kaokura for you to see, say, and conform those when you against such rebino, minianum, no correct election, you call, Uncle Ye. Na yeni na yenim se niama bebre ene si yenti ama no koba no sa na enu nti na ama me kra Kennedy na matiesim se this time no me pese me den hihye A B C D ba se de be ya ye be protect your vote ba na ye ma me no na se be nyimu ni na na mu digwa e be ka se ye bre muska de ekodigwa nti none no policy ne bia ne se me na me ne den yemfa de ma me ndi asif so ba or se be or the 2 minutes be share and say sleep at 6 o'clock.